Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the problem with 100% disk usage in Windows 10 or 11. So please follow the steps with me and let's get started. Okay, so we need to open Run. So right click on Windows Start button and then select Run in here. And type in Run services.msc and then just click OK. And in here we need to look for this one, Connected Devices Platform Service. So once you find it, just right click on it and go to Properties. Here it says Start Type, so just expand it and select Disable. Once you're done, just click Apply and then OK. This service is required only if you connect your computer to any electronic device. Okay, once you disable it, right click on it and then click on Stop. And the next one that we need to disable it, which is this one, sysmain. This one can cause a 100% disk usage as well. If you can't find sysmain in here, it depends on your computer. It could be superfetch in here instead. Okay, so we need to disable the sysmain. So just right click on it and do the same thing. Go to Properties and then over here, select Disable. Click Apply and OK. And then just like the previous one, right click on it and click on Stop. Okay, so we are done in here. Now we can just close this window and move on to the next step. Okay, the next step, we need to run the command prompt. So just go to search bar and type in there cmd. Then right click on it and run as administrator. And once you open the command prompt, type this command in there, sfc / scan now, and then just press enter. This command will check the system file and also it will fix any problems with your disk and Windows. This process might take a bit of time, so once it's completed, you need to restart your device. So as you can see, it's completed 100%. So we need to restart the computer now and follow the next steps. Okay, after you restarted the computer, now open up your settings. So just right click on Windows button, click on Settings, and then click on Windows Update in here at the bottom. Here we need to check for updates manually. If there is any updates, make sure download and install them, as most of the time Windows updates will fix the bugs on your computer. So once you check for the updates and you are done in here, just close this one and then open up your search bar and type in there Task Scheduler. This one, just open it up. Over here, expand Task Scheduler library, then Microsoft, and then after that Windows. And in here you need to look for defrag folder, this one. So when you find the defrag folder, just click on it and then on the top it says schedule defrag. Select this one. On the right, on the selected item, just click on end and then it's asking you for confirmation to end this task, so just say yes. Next we need to click on disable, and as you can see, it's disabled now. So once you're done, you need to restart your computer. And that's all. Please let me know in the comments below if this video was useful for you. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.